I'm Robert. I love guitar and I love coding. And I've put the two together to bring you fretDrills Guitar App, where you go to drill the patterns of the fretboard into your memory. You'll learn by playing games on your mobile device or interactively with your guitar.
C, A.
You're absolutely going to love fretDrills, but don't take my word for it. Go test drive it for free. From fretDrills.com, clicking the App button brings you to the interactive table of contents. Scrolling down, you will see that the first chapter is for memorizing the notes on the guitar fretboard. The first section is called The Essentials because it consists of the sections of the neck that you absolutely have to have memorized like the back of your hand: the E and A strings and the open string notes. The Essentials section is free for you to use. Just register so the app can track your stats and you can create a memorization schedule. No credit card is required. Just click on the Sign Up Login button and follow the instructions. Once that switches over to the Accounts button, then you're ready to go. For a limited time only, the entire site is free. If you look at the fretDrills banner and it indicates that it's in beta, then the entire site is free, not just the essentials. While in beta, I'm adding more chapters and videos. Beta will conclude once I feel that there is a critical mass of content. Evaluate with no restrictions. It's not a trial period. Play the games as many times as you like. Track your stats. Sort your stats by the worst performing to discover where you need to focus. Bookmark repeat intervals to hold you accountable to a memorization schedule. I struggle with how to describe it. It's an app, but it's also kind of like a book. It's a BAP. fretDrills has a game engine, which contains the mobile game, the guitar interactive game, and the lick looper. On top of that, I can add skins, which are the various lesson pages. fretDrills is continuously growing and adding new material, so go check it out and play the free games. You know, you're not just evaluating fretDrills, because you have to ask yourself, are you right for fretDrills? It's work. fretDrills sets the table for you. I've curated a sequential lesson plan for you, developed apps to drill the lessons into your memory, provided you with the necessary tools to keep you accountable. But you have really got to want the prize. Do you want to effortlessly visualize the patterns of the fretboard? If so, then you must be ready to commit yourself to the program. To get introduced to fretDrills, there's no better way to learn than by doing. The next video takes the first lesson page and uses it as a vehicle to demonstrate the various games and provide some tips on how to get the most out of them. Click here to watch it.